Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you exactly how to stop ads and pop-ups on Android to give you a cleaner browsing experience. We will be diving into your settings to block those annoying interruptions for good. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Chrome app on your device, which is the primary gateway where most of these intrusive advertisements tend to appear while you are browsing the web. Step 2 requires you to go to the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen to open up your main browser menu and access further customization options. Step 3 is to click Settings from the drop-down menu, which is the hub where you can manage your privacy, security, and how websites interact with your phone. Step 4 is to click Site Settings within that menu, a crucial area that controls what permissions websites have and what kind of content they are allowed to display to you. Step 5 asks you to scroll down and click Intrusive Ads, a specific category designed to filter out the most disruptive and low-quality advertising formats found on the internet. Step 6 is to then allow the setting where ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads, which effectively hides deceptive content before it reaches your screen. Step 7 is to go back and click Pop-ups and Redirects, which is another vital layer of defense located in the same site settings menu to keep your navigation under your control. Step 8 is to then allow the option that says don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects, ensuring that websites cannot force new tabs or windows open without your permission. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful mobile tips and tricks.